The function of the rain guard is to prevent rainwater from coming in along the polish rod and entering into the unit. Rainwater that tends to enter these units can fill up the base and cause a false signal to be sent. The rain guard prevents that. It also has the secondary function of reducing the amount of dust and sand that can enter into the unit and damage things such as the packing and the wellhead. Now, for the rain guard base installation, you have to start with the base. This slides into the top of the well of the unit and is simply rotated and it's done. Installation of the rain guard base takes less than 10 seconds. This is the rain guard top unit. If the rain guard doesn't have its felt installed, it's quite simple just to slide the felt into the grooves on either side of the unit. Once the felt's installed, the unit's closed with a 3/16 wing nut. The next step is to install the rain guard. This will just slide around your polish rod and goes in the top as such. And you can tighten the wing nut to close the unit. To close the top, you simply press here along the edges and your last step is take your springs, and I recommend using a pair of pliers for this job. With the springs in place and the wing nut secured, your unit is ready to go and you can turn your pump jack on.